The Laṅkāvatāra Sūtra, Chapter 2, Part 24. Furthermore, Mahāmati, bodhisattvas should become adept at examining the two kinds of phenomena that have no self. And what are the two kinds of phenomena that have no self? Neither beings nor dharmas have a self. And what does it mean that beings have no self? The assemblage of the skandhas, the dhatus, or the ayatanas arises from ignorance, karma, and desire, and includes neither a self nor anything that belongs to a self. As the grasping and attachment of such senses as the eye to form give rise to consciousness, bodies, houses, and the world of objects that are perceptions of one's own mind are fabricated and manifested from one's own projections. They change and disappear every moment, like a river or a seed or a candle or the wind or a cloud. Restless like a monkey, attracted to impurities like a fly, and insatiable like a wind-blown fire, they move like a water wheel through life after life and bodily form after bodily form, impelled by habit energy without beginning, like figures produced by some sort of magic trick or spell or mechanical device. To be skilled in the knowledge of such appearances means to know that beings have no self. And what does it mean to know that dharmas have no self? It means to be aware that the self-existence of the skandhas, dhatus, and ayatanas is imaginary, that the skandhas, dhatus, and ayatanas are devoid of a self or anything that belongs to a self, that the skandhas, dhatus, and ayatanas are assemblages tied to desire and karma, and that they arise from the interplay of conditions, but are themselves passive, and that all dharmas are like this. Through the power of imagination, fools give rise to erroneous projections, devoid of individual or shared characteristics, but not the wise, because they transcend the mind, the will, and consciousness, the five dharmas, and the modes of reality. Mahāmati, bodhisattvas should become adept at seeing no self in anything at all. Bodhisattvas who become adept at seeing no self in dharmas soon gain an insight into the freedom from projections that characterizes the initial bodhisattva stage, and they delight in examining the characteristics of such awareness. As they continue their steady advance, they go beyond the ninth stage to the Dharma cloud stage, where they create huge lotus flowers decorated with countless jewels and resembling jeweled thrones on which they sit and practice in this realm of illusory existence, and where they are joined by bodhisattvas of similar attainment and their retinues. From every Buddha land, Tathagatas come and anoint their foreheads, just as a Chakravartin anoints the forehead of the crown prince. Having gone past the bodhisattva stage, they attain the personal realization of the realm of Buddha knowledge. And because they see no self in any dharma, they acquire the incomparable dharma body of a Tathagata. This is what no self in dharmas means. You and the other bodhisattvas should cultivate this.